Hi, this is Mike Lembeck with Remax Commercial. I just wanted to make a quick video, kind of go over the recent stats for the last month and and then cover the last 4 years and how it relates to what's happening in today's market versus where things were over the last 6 months, 12 months, all the way back to 4 years. Kind of give you an idea of what's happening with our stats on sales, number of listings, how long properties are taken to sell, days on market. So I think you'll find it pretty interesting. It at least will give you an idea of what's going on and kind of what the interest rate increases, what effect they're having on our overall Southern California real estate market. So hope you enjoy it, and let's get into it. All right, so here's the stats for the entire Southern California multifamily sales over the last 4 years. Starting off, we have the days to sell average. We saw a little bit of a decline, just 1 day less from last month. In January, we had 51. This month, we've got 50. And we had an increase over the last roughly 6 to 7 months up to that point. And so we're holding steady, at least for this month. We'll see what happens next month. Active listings, pretty much the same also. We had 11,000 in December of 2022, just under 11,000 in January of 23, and then of course just about roughly the same in this month for February. And the number of new listings, just only a slight decrease. We went from 864 to 858, but still kind of in that downward trend overall over the last 4 years. You can see the numbers have, we're on the lower end of the chart or the graph, so number isn't changing much there. And then also we saw this price per square foot drop a little bit, and that's maybe indicating that the prices have started to kind of come down a little bit. But it's still roughly within this same range here that it's been over the last roughly year or so, year and a half. And the number of sales, just a slight increase from 357 last month to 361, so only a difference of 4, but still really on the low side. This was back here in May of 20 when we had COVID-19, and also that is the lowest point overall, but we're still really close to that number, and number of sales have really dropped since the start of the interest rate increases. And of course the holidays weren't really good also. So overall we've seen a decline there. So we've seen a decline overall, or at least in comparison to last month. We had about the same for the number of sales. The number of active listings is about the same, and the days to sell average is about the same. So those are the three main stats that you want to take a look at month to month, and they're pretty much unchanged. So we haven't seen much of a change overall in our market just recently, and we'll see what happens if we have another increase in interest rates over the next couple of months, and what an effect it has on our market. So if you have any questions or want to go any deeper into these stats, let me know. If you have any needs as far as buying, selling, feel free to reach out to me anytime. Send me an email, give me a call. I'd be happy to talk to you. Thanks, and have a great day.